សូមជម្រាបសួរបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាស្វាគមន៍មកកាន់ Channel Tunnel Live Journey ថ្ងៃនេះខ្ញុំនិងគ្រួសារនាំគ្នាទៅលេងនៅទឹកធ្លាក់ភ្នំខៀវនៅក្នុងក្រុងប៉ៃលិនខេត្តប៉ៃលិនសូមអញ្ជើញទៅជាមួយយើងខ្ញុំបាទ Greeting friends, today I would like to invite you to join our trip together to Phnom Kiew to see the beautiful waterfall on the mountain in Pailin province. Please join us. បងប្អូនឃើញថាទេសភាពតាមដងផ្លូវពីក្រុងប៉ៃលិនទៅភ្នំខៀវឃើញថាស្រស់បំព្រងបាទអមដោយជើងភ្នំយ៉ាងស្រស់ស្អាតបាទពណ៌ខៀវស្រងាត់ So friends, as we travel along the way to the Phnom Kiew mountain, we see the very beautiful sceneries. Along the way, there are many mountains, green mountains, and the sky very clear. And we hope to see the view of the waterfall naturally very beautiful. So we are so exciting as our first time to this such beautiful resort and the historical place that we want to see the beautiful waterfall, very big beautiful waterfall. But បងប្អូនឥឡូវយើងមកដល់កន្លែងបង់លុយដើម្បីនឹងចូលទៅទស្សនានៅរមណីយដ្ឋានទឹកធ្លាក់ភ្នំខៀវហើយបាទ So friends, we arrived to the stand, the gateway that we need to pay for the entry into the resort to see the beautiful waterfall. We will go through this concrete road, climb up to the mountain. Yes, the waterfall is on the top of the mountain, the Phnom Kiew mountain. បាទយើងនឹងធ្វើដំណើរតាមបេតុងនេះបងប្អូនដើម្បីនឹងឡើងទៅលើកំពូលភ្នំដើម្បីនឹងទៅលេងក៏ដូចជាមើលនៅទឹកជ្រោះបាទភ្នំខៀវស្អាតមែនតើបងប្អូនសូមទស្សនាទេសភាពតាមដងផ្លូវដែលយើងកំពុងឡើងទៅលើភ្នំបាទក៏ឃើញថាមានជ្រោះមានអូរហូរកាត់បាទដែលទឹកអូរហ្នឹងគឺមកពីភ្នំខៀវបាទដែលទឹកជ្រោះបានហូរមកខាងក្រោមបាទ So you see the stream, you see the beautiful trees and also animals along the way as we climbing up to the top of the mountain. So the water stream there is coming from the big waterfall flowing from the top of the mountain down to the bottom of the mountain. We are so exciting. Please join and see the view together with us as we are climbing up to the top of the mountain.បាទបងប្អូនឥឡូវយើងនៅតែបន្តឡើងទៅខាងលើនៃកំពូលភ្នំខៀវឃើញថាយើងឆ្លងកាត់ពីដំណាក់កាលមួយទៅដំណាក់កាលមួយហើយនេះគឺជាអូទី2ដែលទឹកធ្លាក់មកពីភ្នំខៀវបាទទឹកជ្រោះភ្នំខៀវ So friends, we continue climbing up to the top of the mountain and just now we passed by the second stream that the water flow from the top of the Phnom Kiew through the waterfall go down to the field. So we so much enjoy for this trip. Very natural, very beautiful place, and our children very exciting. Wow.
admin ពណ៌ខៀវក្នុងពណ៌បៃតងបើគាត់អត់ខ្មៅទេខ្ញុំបើអត់ខ្មៅបាត់អូសត្វព្រៃអូ
បាទបងប្អូននេះគឺជាទឹកជ្រោះដំណាក់ទី3បាទដែលហូរតាមអូមកពីលើភ្នំខៀវបាទដូចទី1និងទី2ដែលយើងបានឆ្លងកាត់ដែរបាទ So friends, we are now at the third stream that flowing from the top of the Phnom Kiew as well, the same as the first and second streams that we just passed also. We are near now to the top of the mountain. Please continue watching our video. Thank you. បងប្អូនយើងបន្តដំណើរជិតដល់កំពូលភ្នំនឹងឃើញទឹកជ្រោះហើយបងប្អូនចឹងសូមបន្តទស្សនាវីដេអូនេះរហូតដល់ចប់នោះបងប្អូននឹងឃើញបាទទឹកជ្រោះដ៏ស្រស់ស្អាតហើយបើបងប្អូនអត់ដែលបានអញ្ជើញទៅលេងទេសូមអញ្ជើញបាទធម្មជាតិស្អាតហើយត្រជាក់បាទដែលខ្ញុំក៏ទៅលើកទី1ដែរបាទនៅភ្នំខៀវនេះហើយគ្រួសាររបស់យើងខ្ញុំក៏ទៅជាលើកទី1ដែរបាទឥឡូវយើងមកដល់ហើយនេះគឺជាដំណាក់ទី1នៃទឹកជ្រោះបាទសូមអញ្ជើញទស្សនា So friends, we arrived to the first stage of the stream and also the waterfall. We are now on the top of the Phnom Kiew mountain. Please enjoy the view, the beautiful place. កូនរបស់ខ្ញុំគាត់ចុះទៅខាងក្រោមតាមចិន្តាបាទប៉ុន្តែគាត់អត់ហ៊ានចុះទៅឆ្ងាយទេដោយសារគាត់ខ្លាចបាទហើយឃើញថាចិន្តារៀងចោតបាននៅដំណាក់ទី1នេះអញ្ចឹងគាត់ត្រឡប់មកខាងលើវិញ So friends, my children just went down to see closer the stream, the waterfall at this first stage, but because of the ladder is very sharp down, then they climb up. បាទនេះគឺជាដំណាក់ទី2បាទនៃទឹកជ្រោះហើយឃើញថាទេសភាពបាទនៅខាងលើភ្នំនេះគឺពណ៌ខៀវស្រងាត់បាទមានដើមឈើជាច្រើនដែលដុះហើយខាងក្រោមគឺជាទឹកជ្រោះបាទដែលបងប្អូនអាចមើលពីលើបាទឃើញទៅបាទស្អាតមែនទែនហើយមានភ្ញៀវទេសចរបានចុះទៅដល់ខាងក្រោមបាទតាមចិន្តាគាត់ទៅមើលផ្ទាល់តែម្ដងបាទដល់កន្លែងដែលទឹកហូរខ្លាំងបាទនៅទីនោះ So friends, this is the second stage of the waterfall and you see the beauty of the mountain. There are many trees and also the waterfall. This is the very beautiful one, but cannot swim here or play here, so be careful because it's slippery and it can be dangerous. So this is a very good place. I recommend if you have will come to visit Cambodia and you want to find time relax in Cambodia, it is a good place. Pailin province, the Blue Mountain or the Phnom Kiew Mountain is the very big waterfall in Cambodia. បាទនេះគឺជាដំណាក់ទី3នៃទឹកជ្រោះបងប្អូនបាទគឺស្អាតមែនទែនបាទទឹកជ្រោះធ្លាក់ឡើងពណ៌សហើយសំឡេងខ្លាំងមែនទែនបាទគួរឲ្យចង់ស្ដាប់ហើយគយគន់បាទចង់មើលនៅទីនេះគឺត្រជាក់បាទស្អាតណាស់បងប្អូនបាទសម្រស់ធម្មជាតិធនធានធម្មជាតិនៃប្រទេសខ្មែរយើងគឺស្អាតបាទ So friends, this is the third stage of the waterfall. It's very beautiful white water flowing on the rock. The sound is very sweet, very nice, and I like to listen, seeing the view around and watching the water flow and the water drop. Very, very nice, very relaxed and fresh, and the weather here is also cool. It's really a great time for me and for my family. We are so excited to see this place. បាទឥឡូវខ្ញុំកំពុងតែធ្វើដំណើរចុះតាមចិន្តានេះទៅខាងក្រោមបាទ ដើម្បីនឹងទៅមើលទឹកជ្រោះក៏ដូចជាទៅលេងទឹកនៅខាងក្រៅបាទចឹងនៅតែនេះគឺជាដំណាក់ទី4នៃទឹកជ្រោះបាទភ្នំខៀវបាទកន្លែងដែលយើងអាចនឹងមុជបានលេងបានបាទកន្លែងដែលទឹកហូរមិនសូវជាខ្លាំងបាទចឹងវាមានសុវត្ថិភាពបាទយើងទៅមើលចិត្តឬក៏យើងទៅមុជនៅខាងលើនេះបាទ So friends, this is the stage 4 of the waterfall that I'm now going down through the steps to see closer, and I can play around with the water there. So please join me.បាទឃើញថាដំណាក់ទី4និងទី5នេះគឺមានមនុស្សមកលេងច្រើនបាទខាងលើនោះគឺទី5បាទតិចទៀតខ្ញុំនឹងទៅលេងនៅទីនោះហើយឃើញថាមានមនុស្សជាច្រើនបាទកុមារផងដែរដែលអាចនឹងលេងទឹកនេះបាទត្រជាក់ហើយនឹងស្អាតបាទទឹកថ្លាបាទមើលឃើញបាទពណ៌សស្អាតមែនទែន So friends, I come now to the stage 4 and stage 5 is above. Right now I'm sharing, so people can play, can enjoy swimming or playing with the waterfall. Yes, so please see the very beautiful place here. It is safer than the other stages, so people normally come to these 4 and 5th stages of the waterfalls so that they can play, they can enjoy swimming in the waterfall. Yes, please see together in this video with me.បាទទឹកជ្រោះនេះពិតជាធម្មជាតិមែនបាទសម្បូរថ្មទឹកហូរតាមចលងបាទស្ដាប់ទៅពីរោះស្អាតបាទហើយកន្លែងនេះចោតបាទអត់មានអ្នកមុជទេមានខាងលើនឹងដែលគេអាចមុជបានបាទ So friends, this is the very natural that the water flow to the gateway or the rock that they are really naturally. No one is forcing it to flow in other direction. បាទនេះគឺខ្ញុំបាន so much enjoy បាទនៅក្នុងការមកលេងនេះសប្បាយមែនតើបងប្អូនបាទហើយគ្រួសារនៅខាងលើបាទគាត់មុជនៅដំណាក់ទី5 So friend, this is me that I'm sharing with you this video, and my family is enjoying swimming up on the stage of the waterfall. They are so much enjoy swimming there. បាទបងប្អូនឃើញថានៅដំណាក់ទី5នេះមានមនុស្សមកលេងជាច្រើនបាទភ្ញៀវទេសចរគាត់មកមុជមានក្មេងទូចបាទមកលេងផងដែរឃើញថាច្រើនហើយស្អាតមែនទែននៅទីនេះហើយក៏មានសុវត្ថិភាពផងដែរ So friends, there are many people on this 5th stage of the waterfall. They come to swim, to play around with the water, and there are also children playing in swimming with the caretaker that they have to watch and be careful as the rock a little bit slippery some area, and then many people enjoy seeing the view as well and taking photos and all that. So very beautiful, exciting, and very fresh. Really love this place very much.ឥឡូវខ្ញុំឡើងមកខាងលើវិញហើយយើងរៀបចំដំណើរនឹងត្រឡប់ទៅផ្ទះវិញបាទអញ្ចឹងឃើញថាថតពីលើទៅនៅដំណាក់ទី5នេះស្អាតមែនទែនបងប្អូនបានឃើញមនុស្សជាច្រើនកំពុងតែមុជកំពុងតែលេងនៅខាងក្រោមបាទគយគន់ទេសភាពនៃសម្រស់ទឹកជ្រោះក៏ដូចជាមើលទឹកធ្លាក់បាទយ៉ាងយកចិត្តទុកដាក់នឹងដោយទឹកចិត្តសប្បាយរីករាយអ្នកខ្លះគាត់ហូបអាហារជុំគ្នាជាមួយគ្រួសារនៅខាងក្រោមSo friends, as we now prepare to go back home, so I just take video from the top to see the down below of people swimming, eating, enjoy seeing the waterfall. So really good time and exciting, a good moment. So we are now gathering here to go back home.
Buổi chiều mình tên là
បាទឥឡូវយើងធ្វើដំណើរជិះឡានត្រឡប់ទៅខាងក្រោមវិញហើយទៅខេត្តប៉ៃលិនវិញបាទយើងសប្បាយយើងពិតជាស្រឡាញ់ធនធានធម្មជាតិរបស់ប្រទេសខ្មែរយើងដែលសម្បូរទៅដោយធនធានធម្មជាតិល្អស្អាតហើយមានគុណភាពសម្រាប់ជីវិតដែលយើងអាចនឹងមកកម្សាន្តមកលេងនៅពេលដែលយើងអបសុខឬក៏យើងមានអារម្មណ៍មិនល្អបាទឬក៏ stress នៅក្នុងការងារនេះជាអំណោយផលពីធម្មជាតិសម្រាប់ប្រទេសរបស់យើង So friend, now we are going back. We are driving down the mountain top and we will go to Pailin. So we so much enjoy this moment and seeing the beautiful first time waterfall in Pailin on top of Phnom Kieu mountain. Very beautiful as you have seen, and I am convinced that we will come back again to see and swim in this waterfall again. And I would like to invite you to come and join and see this beautiful. If you have chance, you want to visit Cambodia, please, we recommend this place for you. But សូមអរគុណបងប្អូនដែលបានទេសនាដោយយកចិត្តទុកដាក់ហើយនឹងស្រឡាញ់នៅវីដេអូនេះបើបងប្អូនពេញចិត្តសូម Subscribe សូម Share Like បាទអរគុណច្រើនជម្រាបលា So friends, thank you very much for watching this video. If you like, please share, subscribe or comment to this video. We welcome your comments and thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.